The CanDo Hub is a CIC, and they're based here in the community centre at St Thomas, and they work with people with Down syndrome.
We have asked Ollie to join us and to teach us all some gardening skills, and you know what, the team absolutely love it.
They do a lot of skill building here, and one of the things they wanted to do was introduce more food growing, but also just being outdoors, working with their hands. And we're sowing seeds, we're going to be growing food later, we've got some planters coming, we planted some daffodils last year, so the project is growing, should we say.
It's quite therapeutic, getting your hands dirty. It's quite relaxing as well.
What do you get from gardening? How does it make you feel?
I feel happy about it.
Is it relaxing?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the highlight of my week being here at the CanDo Hub. We designed the garden space together, and yeah, it's just been a really beautiful process.
They've definitely opened up. It really brings them out of their shells. It's a brilliant confidence builder.
It's about sort of showing people not only can you grow food cheaply, readily, and eat it and it's delicious, but you also don't need a lot of stuff to do that.
It's exciting for them, and I love hearing their stories of how they're going to go home and tell their parents, their family members, like what they've been learning in CanDo and what they're going to take home with them.